Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. First, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap save and it's done. Let's go back and this time let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And in the end let's select public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.